The Chenab rail bridge is a railway bridge over the Chenab river in Riyasi district of the Jammu Kashmir. It is a steel and concrete bridge spanning 1350 meters across the river gorge. The structure consists of an approach bridge which is 530 meters long and 785 meters long deck arch bridge with a deck height of 359 meters from the river bed. The arch bridge is the highest rail bridge and arch bridge in the world, located between Kauri and Bakal rail station on the Jammu-Baramulla line. The Jammu-Baramulla railway project was initiated with the laying of its foundation stone in